Hello guys, it's Gresley. Welcome back to part 2 of inspecting my Hornby. Now, if you hear noise in the background, I'm running in my Smoky Joe. Give it a bit of running and try and get it run a bit better. But anyway, so today we're going to be inspecting my Hornby Railroad Fine Scotsman, which is not the one you saw me review yesterday. Now this one, when I run it, it's a bit lumpy and it just doesn't run properly. So today, we're going to inspect it. So I'm going to get my trusty screwdriver. Guys, I got my flathead screwdriver. And I'm ready to see what's the problem with the girl. I'm going to time knot at this because I'm not very good with screwdrivers. Here we go guys, so the screw's out. So we're going to take her off. So here she is, Flying Scotsman. Just going to have a little inspect of her, see if anything's wrong with her because she's not running right at all. And just the problem is everything's mounted inside, so it's hard to get to it. But there seems to be no loose soldering. No, it seems to be pretty good. Well, if I turn the flywheel of the motor, you can see the wheels move, so that's good. Might be a case of giving it a good clean up, so I'm going to go and get myself a tissue. I'm just going to give it a little wipe, and there might be a bit of dirt in there. Try and fix it, you know. Because when I got this, I had Hornby for fun. I wasn't serious like I am now. I just have it for fun and just because I like trains. Yeah, it's time to come off. You can see the dirt on it. So I haven't got the best camera. I might upgrade later. But you can see it's not the best. Oh, well, bit not the best. You can see. So I'm gonna put that in there. So I'm just gonna give it a bit more of a clean because the motor seems to be a bit grubby, so this might help it out a bit. Flywheel, that should be alright. Let's just keep the motor running. I can make it move along my desk. I like this. I mean, you gotta love Hornby. It's a really good hobby. Absolutely fantastic. You can see the wheels are quite dirty, so I'm going to use these Q-tips on it just to. I'm going to turn the flywheel to get them clean. There we go. God, really trying to just, there we go. Well, it's a bit dirty. This is good. This will probably do it the world of good. I reckon in about a year or so, I'm probably going to have to properly take this apart to probably have a look at it. So you might want to stay tuned for that. Only about a year time. Remind me a year today. So remind me a year today on the, Monday the 20th of July. Remind me of that. Done it. Now, let's test it. On the track at the moment we have Smoky Joe. Smoky Joe at the moment, I'm just going to take Smoky Joe onto the siding. There's also cock of the north on the siding, if you couldn't tell. Right, isolate the siding. There. Now I'm going to put the Scotsman on. And fingers crossed. Get that right way round. There we go. So now we're going to, so I'm not sure which direction it's going to go in. Oh, dead point. Oh no. Is it still dead? Has it kicked dust? Right, I'm going to zoom you up a bit. So here it is, but it's just... Then we're going to try and go to do a crawl. Oh, it's dead. That's alright. Not very good at... It's worse than my other flying Scotsman. I suppose my other flying Scotsman's really good. Oh, it's dead again. Give the table a wobble. There we go. Yeah, so it's running finally. It did take a fair bit of cleaning to get going. So yeah, I think we should just be careful with these Scots. Yeah, as I said, sorry, my camera died then. Just be careful with these Scotsmen because they can cause a bit of trouble. Now, next time we are going to be investigating this guy. Now he runs all right, but I want to listen to the sound he makes. Let me turn my light on. Listen to the sound he makes. He sounds like a triangle. So yeah, guys, that's what we're going to do next time. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. And it's dead.